She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Hey y'all, it's Alondra. Welcome back to the land. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I moisturize my braids, how I moisturize them to make sure I don't get like product buildup. When I've worn other braid styles, like I'll put shea butter in my hair, I'll put like all type of thick creams in my hair, and it will give me nothing but product buildup. This time around, I told myself I only want to do oils only in my hair, and just to see if it was a difference, and it has been a difference. I'm gonna add these to my braids today. I'm actually adding them kind of late, being that I've had these braids for 3 weeks, but I kind of liked them without any accessories, so I was like, let me like wear them for a little bit plain. But now that I'm really probably about to take them out in a week or two, I'm like, let me at least like experience some type of jewels, you know? I'm not gonna be moisturizing any of my hair in the braids, just because y'all, my scalp already be greasy enough. Everywhere I sit, everywhere I lay, everything I touch is greasy. If I oversaturate my hair, I just love adding oils into it, so I'm not adding anything on my actual hair. Also, my hair is folded in these braids. We did the fold over method. If y'all don't know what that is, it's basically because my hair is longer than the length of the braids, so we folded my real hair and then braided it. So I haven't put any water to my braids or any like oil or cream, anything to my actual braids, because I don't want my hair to like get matted or anything like that, tangled, anything, you know. But like I said, let's go ahead and get started with the first product. The first product I use is this spray. It's by Hask, like hair mask, and it's the Biotin Boost, and it says that it thickens and detangles, free of sulfates and parabens. It's a 5-in-1 leave-in spray. There's no particular reason I use this. I just like the fact that it's a leave-in spray. All I literally do is just spray my scalp, no particular way, okay? This spray smells like man's cologne though. I like using this spray to kind of prep my hair before I put oils in it. Basically, this is like my liquid oil cream routine, like a lock method routine, but I'm doing like my liquid first, you know? I like to go through and rub my scalp, y'all. This is the best part. Now, if y'all are like anti-frizz, then you may want to skip this part. Me, however, when I have braids, I love them being like a little frizzy or like a little loose. Basically, I think I will probably benefit from the knotless look. I like when braids look like they're like you've had them in for a few weeks. Like I don't like fresh braids. All right, y'all, next oil I've been using has been this African Pride oil. It is 5 essential oils. Now y'all, I only bought this because I was being lazy and it's just cheaper to buy it like this, but I was gonna go ahead and buy my own separate oils and just make my own like oil mixture. I just, like I said, I was being lazy or whatever, and it smells so good, y'all. It smells like candy, but I don't feel like it's pure. I feel like it, you know, it's manufactured or whatever. I don't feel like it's 100% pure because I read the ingredients and it's a little bit of other stuff mixed in there. But the main oils that it has is castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. So like I said, I would rather just go buy those oils, carrot oil, whatever, and make my own. But for the sake of me not having that, and this is what I've been using, and it does smell like candy, I've been using it on my scalp. So this, y'all, it feels amazing, don't get me wrong, but you don't want to be too heavy-handed because trust me, you will be a grease ball. So I just quickly go through, you know, sprinkle it where my scalp is mostly always dry, which is on my top of my head. Like y'all, that crown area, is that the crown? It's always dry right there. So I like to, you know, sprinkle it there. And once again, I massage my scalp, you know. All right, y'all, the last oil I use is Jamaican black castor oil. This does say that it is pure Jamaican black castor oil, extra dark. I use this for hair growth, solely for hair growth. Because it is so thick and the type of bottle it comes in, it's not really like an easy applicator, so I poured it into an old Do Grow bottle, okay? But this is castor oil in here. And I do also have a Do Grow stimulating hair growth oil, and I'm not going to use this today because I'm using my black castor oil and my other oil. But I use this for my deep conditionings now and stuff like that. Whenever I sit under the dryer with my natural hair, I add this to my scalp. But inside this is my castor oil, and I don't apply a lot of this because it's really thick oil and I ain't trying to do all of that. I really just apply it to my edges. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I have a little bald spot right here. Y'all might notice now that I mentioned it. You may look at some videos. That's my little bald spot. But yeah, I apply this castor oil to my edges, bitch. Like all up on these baby hairs, all up in here. I rub in all the oils I put in my hair. All right, y'all, now that my hair is fully moisturized, I feel amazing. Let's move on to the second part of this video and add the hair clips. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I just added a few hair clips just to spruce it up a little bit, you know, light work, okay? That is how I moisturize my braids, y'all, to get no product buildup, to not to have all that white stuff all throughout my hair, y'all. It keeps my scalp clean, okay? It's to just strictly use oil is the trick, okay? Anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, I hope that you have already subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.